Hello, it's Rachel, and today I've got a different kind of video. I received this box from YouTube some time ago and I haven't shared it yet, but I'd like to today. So this is the reward that you get for 100,000 subscribers, which I reached quite some time ago now actually, but you do have to wait for these things. And as a reward for that achievement, YouTube sends you a silver play button. So I'm just going to show you the box here. You get a letter from YouTube, and then inside the box you get your silver play button with your channel number written on it. So here is the play button. As you can see, it's in a frame and it has your YouTube channel number, and it says congratulations for surpassing 100,000 subscribers. So I wanted to share that today because without you guys watching right now, that would not have been achievable. And so I'd like to say a massive thank you to everybody who subscribes and watches my channel and takes the time to comment and rate my videos. That is very much appreciated. I do try to get to all the comments where I can. I'm kind of running out of different ways to say thank you, so excuse me if my comments are pretty much the same every time, but I am truly appreciative of everybody, and it's been a wonderful journey, and I hope that that continues in the future. So as well as sharing this, there is one other thing I wanted to share today, and that is a project I've been thinking of for quite some time now. If you remember, if you've been a long time subscriber, you will remember that in my early videos I shared a lot of artwork that was achieved through challenge blogs, and they're pretty much obsolete these days because other social media platforms seem to have taken over. But challenge blogs were a just for fun challenge. There were no prizes or anything like that, but they were very motivational and very inspirational ways of creating and motivating you to create art. And that is something I'd like to resurrect and hopefully provide a way through my channel to become more interactive with my subscribers. So I have created a Facebook group, and the Facebook group is called Artful Evidence, which is the same name as my blog, and I will put a link in the video description for that. And the whole point of the group is to have different challenges on a weekly basis. So in the first instance, I thought a 6x6 mixed media challenge would be something that most people could access. 6x6 is a reasonable size, it's a quick project. It means that both seasoned mixed media artists and people who are just stepping into mixed media would find that size comfortable. And I've been busy creating a ton of different pieces that have all been recorded for YouTube with this kind of challenge in mind. So what's going to happen is that, and I'm not going to share these now obviously, what's going to happen is that there's going to be a weekly challenge uploaded on Saturday, so 6x6 Saturday if you like, and I will give you a theme. So I will upload my video and give you the theme for that week, and you'll have Saturday to Saturday to create your piece of artwork and your interpretation of the theme. And it's just a fun thing, you know, there's no prizes, it's just a way of you sharing your art with me, because quite often I get comments on my channel from people telling me that they've been inspired by my videos, or you know, a technique that I've shared, or a colour combination, or a stamp that I've used, and they've gone off and created their own thing, but I very rarely get to see those. So this is a way that people can interact with me more easily and share their art. And if people have a YouTube channel, then you know, you'll be free to share a link to any videos that you might want to make. We might have a hashtag possibly. I need to think this through a little more, but to begin with, I'm going to start uploading this Saturday, so the first theme will be this Saturday, a 6x6 format, and you have a week to produce whatever you want. The themes are going to be pretty loose. There's not going to be anything that's too restrictive, and most themes are very loose and open to interpretation. So for example, if the theme was dream or dreams, you could use the word dream or dreams in your piece of art. You could, I don't know, produce a landscape and say it's a dreamy landscape, or I don't know, draw a telephone and say you had a dream of a telephone. There's no right or wrong to this, it's how you interpret the theme. So I want it to be pretty loose so that everybody can take part, no matter what your ability or your experience or what kind of supplies you have. I'm going to try to avoid supply-based themes where possible, and hopefully it's something that can be enjoyed and provide more interaction with my subscribers. So as I say, first theme will be this Saturday. Please join the Facebook group, and you know, even if you don't want to take part, if you want to join the Facebook group and just see what people are posting, that's fine too, and we'll see how it goes from there. So I've got probably about 20 weeks worth of projects, and I wanted to wait until I had quite a few before I announced this, and then obviously I wasn't under any pressure to carry on with it. So after those 20 weeks, we'll see what happens. We may carry on the 6x6 theme for the rest of the year. We may change to a different theme. We may have different events running throughout the year. Things like Christmas all year round was a theme that sprung to mind, or ATCs. I'm not sure quite yet. It depends how many people are interested, and I suppose it depends how much time I have too. So yeah, that's about it. So I want to say again, thank you to everybody who subscribes. You are the reason I've got my silver play button, and I hope you join the challenge group. Okay, bye for now.